Welcome back. In this video, we'll write a sketch that uses a push button to control an LED. We'll read the state of the button using digitalRead and use an if statement to turn the LED on or off, depending on whether the button is pressed. We'll also print the button state to the serial monitor so we can see what's happening in real time. Let's start by creating variables for the button pin, the LED pin, a variable to store the button's value, and a short delay time. In the setup function, set the LED pin as output and the button pin as input. Then start serial communication with serial.begin 9600 so we can monitor the button state. In the loop function, use digitalRead button pin to check the state of the button and store in the button value variable. Use an if statement to check if the button is pressed. If button value equals 1, turn the LED off by writing low. Otherwise, turn it on by writing high. Print the value of button value to the serial monitor so we can see the button state. Then add a short delay to stabilize the output. Now verify your sketch to check for any syntax errors. If there's a mistake, read the error message carefully and look at the highlighted line to fix it. Once the errors are fixed, verify the sketch again. If everything looks good, upload the code to your Arduino board. Great work! You've now written a sketch that reads input from a push button and controls an LED. If you have any questions, contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen. See you in the next lesson.